If you need real help with your website, knowing how to contact Squarespace support can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to reach a human at Squarespace without getting stuck in the chatbot loop. This is especially useful if you're dealing with billing questions, technical issues, account access problems, or anything that needs a real support agent. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go directly to the Squarespace Help Center. You can also log into your Squarespace account and use the question mark or help icon in the sidebar menu. That icon is your starting point for support, and it takes you to the help resources and contact options. Once you're in the support area, scroll all the way to the bottom of the support screen or open any help guide article and scroll to the bottom there. At the bottom, you should see a Contact Us option. Click Contact Us to begin the support process. After that, the Squarespace Assistant chatbot will appear on your screen. This is where many people get stuck, but there is a simple trick to move forward. In the chat text field, type the exact phrase, "talk to a person." Make sure you type it exactly as shown so the assistant understands what you want. Once you send that message, the assistant should bypass the auto article suggestions and show you your human contact options. Depending on current operational hours, Squarespace will then present the available support methods so you can reach a real person. If live support is available, you'll be able to continue from there and get help with your issue directly. If it's outside support hours, Squarespace may show the next available contact options or guide you toward the best time to reach out. The key here is not to keep clicking random help articles. Use the help icon, go to Contact Us, and type "talk to a person" in the assistant. That's the fastest way to get past the automated loop and get closer to actual support. And just to recap, the process is simple. Open the Help Center or log in and click the help icon, scroll to Contact Us, type "talk to a person," and then follow the human support options that appear. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.